Good morning, all of you. My name is Sangam Kumari. I am a student teacher of Army Institute of Education, Greater Noida. Today, we are going to discuss on the topic of use of ICT and language games. We start with the introduction. The language games that use computers and the internet makes learning language more fun and easy. They help you learn words, grammar and more while having a good time. Now we will discuss about the benefits of using ICT in language learning. The first benefit is increased engagement. ICT based language games help in increasing student fostering a more active and enjoyable learning environment. In benefit of using ICT is personalized learning. ICT allows for adaptive and customized language games that cater to individual student needs and learning styles. Third is instant feedback. Language games with ICT provides immediate feedback, helping students identify and address areas for improvement. Now we move to the third slides. The third slide discuss about the types of language games facilitated by ICT. The first game is vocabulary games. Interactive games that help students learn and retain new vocabulary words through engaging activities is known as vocabulary games. The second game is grammar games. The grammar games that help reinforce grammatical concepts and help students apply them in practical context. The third game is listening and speaking games. The listening and speaking games help to develop students' listening, comprehension, and speaking skills through audio based activities. Now we discuss about the designing effective language games with ICT. First, we define learning objective. Clearly identify the specific language skill and knowledge you aim to develop through the game. Secondly, incorporate in interactivity. Design games that encourage active students' engagement and participation. Third, provide immediate feedback. Feedback mechanism that helps students understand their progress and areas for improvement. Now we move to the next slide. The next slide is integrating ICT based language games into curriculum. First, align with curriculum goals. Ensure that these language games are closely aligned with the overall learning objectives and curriculum standards. Second, balanced approach. ICT based language games as a part of diverse instructional strategies, not as the sole method of teaching. Third, teacher training. Provide ongoing professional development to equip teachers with the skills to effectively integrate and leverage ICT based language games. Now we move to the challenges and consideration in implementing ICT based language games. The first challenge is technical barriers. Ensure that the necessary hardware, software, and infrastructure are available and functioning properly. Second, identification. Accommodate diverse students' needs and learning styles when designing and implementing ICT based language games. Third, classroom management. Develop effective strategies to manage and monitor students' engagement learning during ICT based activities. Now, we will discuss about the best practice for effective use of ICT in language games. The first is ongoing assessment. Continuously assess the effectiveness of ICT based language games and make necessary adjustments to improve students' outcome. Second is professional development. Provide teachers with ongoing training and support to enhance their skills in integrating ICT based language games. Now, we move to the conclusion. The interaction of ICT and language games holds potential to change language learning and foster greater students' engagement and success. As technology continues to evolve, new and innovative ICT based language games will emerge, further enhancing the language learning experiences. Thank you and have a nice day.